Hello everyone. Today I will show you a small tip what I saw from the CGMatter and wanted to recreate in Houdini. We can see how the points go to the closest edge, and I like this effect and want to recreate it in Houdini and started. For that I will use box, scatter points, probably 1000. And now we need extract the edges from this box, and for that I will use curve from edge. Now we have these lines generated, and now I need add raise up, to minimal position, control scale. We can control the distance, how close, but now we are missing some kind of randomness, and for that I will use noise float, attribute noise float node, and p scale rename just mix. Some parameters, amplitude, better randomness, and raise up is kinda cool, allows directly read attribute. We can just type mix, done, control node, how it up. Thank you.